Alright, so now I know, I figured it out, that installing this on the outside was actually a poor choice, because now if I wanted to put this in there and use my screwdriver to screw it on, that would make it very difficult. It would probably be a lot easier if I'd done it before I even started. So I'm gonna have to take this one out, or the other way is you could still do it with having this on the inside, but it'll just be a little bit harder to deal with. So I don't know. Was this a good choice in developing this? Because you could have it either way. It's just depending on how well you're capable of, sticking this through. This is not actually long enough. I don't know. They had this really long one and this really short one. If this were longer, you could poke it through there, but as you can see, it's never going to reach the screw. So that kind of forces you to do that, and even that is hard. So even if I take this part and the two screws out and install them in this hole, when I want to install the next part up there, that's going to be difficult. So I don't know. I probably wouldn't have designed the chassis like that. I would have figured out some other way of doing it so that maybe these were on the sides there or something. Something else, but not. That's just weird. I wouldn't have done that.